kids, let's find the shapes. Square. Where is square? Square. Circle. Where is circle? Circle. Green circle. Hexagon. Where is hexagon? Hmm. Hexagon. Purple hexagon. Triangle. Where is triangle? Blue triangle. Octagon. Where is octagon? Blue octagon. Pentagon. Where is pentagon? Orange pentagon. Oval shape. Where is oval? Oval. This is oval. Pink oval. Pink oval. Semicircle. Where is semicircle? Semicircle. Red semicircle. Rectangle. Where is rectangle? This is rectangle. Green rectangle. Trapezium. Where is trapezium? Yellow trapezium. Parallelogram. Where is parallelogram? This is parallelogram. Purple parallelogram. Relix triangle. Where is relix triangle? This is relix triangle. Blue. Heart shape. Where is heart shape? This is heart shape. Pink heart shape. Clover shape. Where is clover shape? This is clover shape. Blue clover shape. Star. Where is star? This is star. Orange star. Cross shape. This is cross shape. Red cross shape. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching.